What's up, everyone? This is Sonic 3D Blaster here. I am on the Brooklyn bound J train where I left Fulton Street. The next stop is going to be Chambers Street. Right now, it's the process of helping some people get to Marcy Avenue, which is in Brooklyn. Okay, we are now leaving Delancey Essex Street. That means the next stop is Marcy Avenue. That means we're leaving Manhattan and entering Brooklyn.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
Alright, here we are. You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blaster. I'll see you next time.